Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Mahesh Nages. And in this video class, we are going to discuss how to write an email letter based on the book Business Communication in English workbook. Dear students, in the last class, we learned meanings of minutes. What uh, minutes is and how to write, of course. And contents of minutes, that means the methods that have to be followed and what should we include into minutes and steps to be followed for writing minutes. Okay, that is chronological order. All these things we learned in the last class. Dear students, look at the learning objectives of this class. It has three objectives, this class. The first one is to enable the students to understand the contents of email letter. That means this class uh, teaches you the contents of email letter. The second objective is to enhance their knowledge on the steps or methods to be followed for writing email letters. That means what are the steps or method to be followed to write a good email letter. And of course, to make you know the meaning of email letter. Excuse me. Okay, dear students, let us have some basic information about an email letter. Sorry. Electronic mail. Email means electronic mail. Electronic mail. Okay, fine. This is an electronic mail. And this email, or writing email, it is a method of communication. Look at this. Email is method of communication. That means you communicate through email. You communicate. Of course, there are so many methods for communication, and here this is one of such methods. Okay, the method of communication. So what we do or how we communicate, whereby an individual or company or organization uses a computer or phone and such electronic devices to compose and send a message to another individual or company or organization. Okay, so this, uh, okay, for this purpose we use, or in this way we use an email. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಸಂವಹನದ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್, ಇದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಶನ್ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್. Okay, so individual company or an institution, it writes, it composes a message in a computer or a phone or such electronic devices and sends it to the receiver. Okay, that means another individual or company. Yeah, email is global. It is fast. It can carry pictures. It can carry audio and video material also. And of course, audio, video material we can send to others, and of course, along with pictures. And of course, we know that it is fast, global, and it needs internet. Okay, that is obvious. It needs internet. That is obvious. Every email user has a unique address, email ID. We say, okay, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐ ಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಿರುತ್ತೆ, such as naik@gmail.com ಅಥವಾ naik@rediffmail.com, even some say yahoo.com. Okay, uh, the IDs, email IDs, one should have to communicate through email. Components of an email. Generally, okay, so an email letter contains these components which we are going to discuss or see, okay, now. Within an email, okay, we can see all these things. From, that is from address, okay, from address means here the email address of the sender. ಇಲ್ಲಿ from address ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, sender's email ID. From ಅಲ್ಲಿ sender's email ID ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, we need not type it separately. Okay, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, ನಾವು ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ it takes. to. So this is to address. So whose address is to address of the recipient to whom we are sending the message. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಸಂದೇಶವನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಅವರ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೆಸಿಪಿಯಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೈಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒನ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್. So two address column we can write more than one address, each address separated by commas. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. The third item is date. Of course, date automatically tagged by the service provider. It automatically takes a date along with time. ಡೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪ್ರತ್ಯೇಕವಾಗಿ ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿನಾಂಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡರು automatically it is generated. Excuse me, dear students. Okay, a bit coughing sensation. Fine. So fourth item, CC. CC means carbon copy. Carbon copy. Okay. So what this is used for? Okay, ಏನಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ? So this is a list of address or addresses to which you want to send copies of your message. So if you want to send the copies of message to more addresses, we can use this CC. Of course, this is a CC row. CC ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಆ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. By using this carbon copy facility, we can send the copy of the original message to the addresses which we type. Another item is that, look at this. This is CC. This is BCC. We already know CC means carbon copy. B, blind carbon copy. What is this? So here the recipient's addresses typed will not be seen by other recipients. Look at this. This is a great facility an email has, I think. Here you want to send a message or some document or something or whatever you want to one person. Okay, not actually one person. You want to send to so many persons. Okay. To so many addresses, but at the same time you don't want the receivers or the recipients that the same copy is sent how many people. You don't want the recipient, each recipient to know to whom the copy is also sent. Andre ಒಬ್ಬ ರೆಸಿಪಿಯೆಂಟು ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿರ್ತೀರ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟನ್ನು, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಕಾಪಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆ 10 ಜನಕ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನನಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಹೊರತು ಇನ್ನು 9 ಜನ ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಅದು 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 10 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ who have received this message, nobody knows that to how many people the same message has been gone and to whom it is gone. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, this is for the subject of the message, of course. So you are going to type maybe a short message or a long message, okay, in the main content. The main message content ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದರೂ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆದರೂ ಹಾಕಿ, ಬಟ್ ದ ರಿಸೀವರ್ಗೆ, ದ ರೆಸಿಪಿಯೆಂಟ್ಗೆ he or she should know what is this message about. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. ದೆನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, files which go with the message. If you want to send some files, okay, just like we said that way, pictures, audio and video, okay, messages, so you can send them in attachments. ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಡಿಯೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಫೈಲ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ this attachment facility. Okay, dear students, so these are all the components generally we see in an email. Okay, now let us look at the practical model email letter. Okay, so in the model email, at least for the point of view of examination. Okay, so examination you have to write in this format. Right. So from, so here from, you have to write one address, email ID and new baribekagutte. So here jack007@gmail.com, this email ID is taken as from address. Then date, after from date baribekku, okay, don't go to address, after from date according to the book, okay, we have referred from this one. Then date, so date, month, year, no punctuation. Then what is this 9:20:45? So this is 9 is hour, 20 minutes 45 seconds. Okay, so we have to write this also. Two address. Okay, another email ID here, and here CC, carbon copy. Okay, it has not been used to only 1% has been said. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ CC facility use ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, but let us mention it. Okay, so it is given in the model in the book. Subject, right? So this is the main message is about postponement of engagement. Postponement of engagement. Okay, this is the subject. Then you greet, hello Shankar. So to address Shankar, okay, of course. Hello Shankar, punctuation, comma. Then the message. I hope that you are safe and healthy. Yes, now everyone wants to be healthy and safe and wants to know others, okay, whether they are healthy or not. So here, I hope that you are safe and healthy. You know that my engagement with Rose was planned on 6th June 2021. Okay, so engagement plan ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. But due to this COVID issue, it has been postponed. Okay, postponement of engagement. It has been postponed. I will inform you the next date. Okay, when it is decided and approved. So this is the message. Jack wants to convey Shankar. Okay, Shankarಗೆ Jack ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದಂತ message. Right. So idu we have to write according to the question. Okay, you are given. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೇ ಟು CC these things remains. Fine. After that main paragraph, I hope you will attend the engagement on the new date. I hope you will attend the engagement on the new date. Then space. So look at the clause. See you soon, comma, name, Jack. Okay, this is a model of writing an email letter. And of course, in the book, that workbook, you have other 2 or 3 models. You can go through those models also, dear students. Fine, let us look at learning outcomes of this class. The students understood the contents of email letter. Okay, dear students, now you are very well aware of the contents of an email letter. And now you have obtained knowledge on the steps and methods to be followed for writing email letter. Okay, those components and all those things. And now you know meaning of email letter. Okay, what an email letter is, you know now very well. Good. Then we have come to the multiple choice questions slide. Question number 1 in the first slide of multiple choice questions. Okay, the first question reads, which is not true about an email letter? Which is not true about an email letter? Option A, it is fast. Option B, it is electrical. Option C, it can carry pictures. Option D, it is a method of communication. Look at this, which is not true. Yes. Fine, you are right. Answer is, where is it? Yeah, here. B, it is electrical. This is not true. Yes, confused. Yes, it is not electric. It is electronic. Electronic, but this is given electrical. That is why it is not true. Huh. Expand BCC, blind computer copy. B, basic carbon copy. C, basic computer copy. D, blind carbon copy. Yes. What is BCC mean, which we use okay, occasionally, of course, in an email? Very good, dear students. You are very right. Blind carbon copy. Blind carbon copy. Question number 3, which is not a component of an email. Not a component. Documents A, B date, C 2, D subject. Which is not a component of an email. Think, yes. Again, you are right, dear students. Answer is A, documents is not a component. Okay, we can see in an email. Question number 4, pick out the correct email address. Pick out the correct email address. Yes. A, it is like this, sarita.gmail.com. B, chandu.gmail.com. C, prabhu@gmail.com. D, loki.gmail.com. Okay, so we have to find out the correct email address. Fine. Yes, check it. And of course, you are right. See, prabhu@gmail.com. Okay, yeah. So at Gmail, then .com. It should be there. It should be there. At gmail.com is the standard format. So before that, you can write anything. But this is standard format at gmail.com. Okay. Right. Question number 5, which is the correct order of the components in an email? Correct order of the components. From to date subject carbon copy. From date to carbon copy subject. C, from to carbon copy date subject. D, from to subject date carbon copy. So which is the right one? The order. Okay. First, second, third, then next, like that. Okay, dear students, here is the answer. Answer B. From date to carbon copy, then subject. Okay, fine. So here completes this multiple choice question session. Okay, dear students, let us have a look at the reference. Of course, I have already told Business Communication in English workbook published by Orient Blackstone. This book has been referred to prepare this class. Okay, dear students, time to thank you for watching this video class patiently and attentively, right? Then let me wish you have a joyful day. Of course, we have to keep ourselves joyful. Now allow me to close this class, dear students.